Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can change the color from white to black on any object. I will use car as a sample, but you can do it on any object you want. It's so simple, but it's a little tricky. So I will show you, because if you want to change a white color or the black color to any other color like red, blue, cyan, anything, you can do it. It's easy. You can use hue and saturation, you can go for the camera raw filter, and it works. But when it comes to changing the black color to white and the white color to black, it's so difficult, because if you go for brightness and contrast or anything like hue and saturation or camera raw filter, you will see that your image will pixelate, because when you are changing the black color into white color, there are a lot of texture losses. So for that, I will show you how you can use the layers, adjustment layers, to cope with this problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you will need an image of the object, which will be black or maybe white. It depends. I will use a white car. I have already opened it. I downloaded it from pexels.com, PEXELS, if you didn't get it. So you can download it from here. You can simply write white car and you can see this car there. And I will also attach the link in the description. You can follow the link. So first of all, what we need to do is to select this body of the car. But as you can see, if I go with this quick selection tool directly, you can see that there is the background fading onto the car, and if I select this, I'm unable to select this because of the background fading with the object, the color of the object. So what I will do is I will click on select and mask. Here is the option after selecting the quick selection tool, and you can see a pretty new window will open in front of you. Here are the properties. I will show you what you have to choose. So in the view mode, you will go for high quality preview, and you will change the view from onion skin. It will be default as onion skin. You have to choose on black, because we have to make a selection from a white object. If you are working on a black object, then you will click on white. So now after clicking on this, you have to select brush tool, sorry, not brush tool, quick selection tool from this toolbar, and you have to simply click on the parts you want to select, and you can see they are changing their color as they are getting selected. So I will fast forward the video until I select this object. So here you can see I have made the selection. The selection on these parts of the car is perfect, on the bottom, on the back side, and on the front side. But on the top, as you can see, it's kind of combining with the sky. The sky is reflecting on the car. It's difficult to you can say make difference between them. So I will keep it for now, keep these harsh edges for now, but I will show you how you can adjust it later. So I'll press OK, but before that, keep this option output to selection. It will be layer mask as default, so you have to choose it to selection and then click on OK. So I have made the selection. You can see I have made a very nice selection here, and now I will change the color to black. And for that, first of all, I will unlock the layer, and now I will click on this circle option, which is fourth from the left on the bottom right corner, and now I will click on curves. Here you can see I have two anchor points on the bottom and one there. So as you can see, if I move this anchor point to the left side, the object gets brighter. So inversely, if I will move this black pointer to the right side, the object will get darker. And you can see my car is looking black now. I can go for anything that suits my object. It's not it it is not necessary that your readings of the input will be equal to mine, because it depends on the image size and image, you can say orientation, dimensions, all of that. So you can just adjust it according to your image. So I will go for 160 input will be good. And if you want these reflections to be fade off, so you can move this anchor here and downward, and you can see the object is getting rough. And I will not you can say change this, because the black cars or black objects are a bit shiny. So that's okay. So now I will give some more adjustments to this layer. So for that, first of all, I will create a group from this curves layer. For that, I will right click on it and then group from layers. You can also press Ctrl G and then OK. And now I will copy this layer mask to the group. Why I did this? There's a reason. Because I only got the selection in the mask. Okay, so it was alongside the curves, and whenever I will apply a new layer, I would need to copy that mask again and again. So for that, I created a group and I applied the mask to the group. So now I will add any adjustment layer here, and this the adjustment layer will be added to the mask directly. So now I will apply adjustment layers according to my image. You can apply according to your own image. That's why I am fast forwarding the video. So here you can see I have completed all the process of adjustment. I have added brightness and contrast, vibrance, and some hue and saturation. So that's all from today. I hope you liked the video. I just wanted to teach you that how you can change a white surfaced color to a black one, and it's not that much difficult. I think so. It's easy, just a little bit tricky. So that's all from today. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification on. So if you have any questions, you can leave a comment. That's all from my side. Let's see you on the other side. Until then, bye bye.